sister, brother, father, mother, sick, healthy, big, small, back, front, fat, thin, black, white, sweet, sour, laugh, cry, poor, rich, old, young, clean, dirty, empty, full, left, right, close, open, in, out, day, night, wet, dry, happy, sad, fast, slow, cold, hot, up, down, near, far, long, short,
Mama shark.